afternoon viewers, welcome back to Balghari kitchen. In today Balghari kitchen, after a long time, I'm going to make Cajun fish burger. So this is one of my favorite also. So today I'm craving for to eat some burger. So I just check my fridge what is available in my fridge. So I see some fish in the fridge. So I'm going to make Cajun fish burger. So keep watching Balghari kitchen. And if you're not yet subscribed Balghari kitchen, please do subscribe Balghari kitchen, share to friends and family, and thank you for watching Balghari kitchen. So viewers, let me take you to Balghari kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for Cajun fish burger. Let me show you what are the ingredients you need. White fillet fish without bone, sesame bread, french fries, breadcrumbs. This is the Cajun spices, cheddar cheese, 1 beaten egg, 1 tomato, lettuce, corn flour, tomato ketchup, cream cheese, salt, pepper. So viewers, let's start with our preparation. So just take one deep plate. I'm going to take the fish and fish. I'm going to season with salt and pepper and some Cajun spices as well. Turn both sides. Again salt, pepper and Cajun spices. So the next step, I'm going to put egg in the plate. Dip my fish which is marinated. Just turn both sides on the plate. Remove from, and then I'm going to dip corn flour to make it little bit crispy. Put both sides. Then again dip into the egg. So you can see the flour coated. Now the other step, you can see I have breadcrumbs. You can make your own breadcrumbs or you can buy from market. So then I'm going to put on the breadcrumbs in this way. Breadcrumbs. Just keep for 15 minutes. So viewers, here I make already hot oil for frying our french fries. 5 to 7 minutes. Adding some olive oil. Spread over all. Oil is hot, so I'm going to add our fish and cook for first side, then we turn over to another side. That will take 5 to 6 minutes to cook. So let's take one tomato, make it slice the tomato. The tomato is grown in UAE, so you can call it organic, and very nice tomato, ripe tomato. You can use this tomato. So viewers, let's turn the fish to other side. Oh, look at this fish, crispy. Oh, more crispy. So you can reduce the fire. So let's cut the burger also into half. In this way, you can make it half. So let's make some sauce. Add cream cheese, I love too much cheese. And some ketchup, pinch of salt, pepper, and Cajun spices as well. Mix nicely. It becomes very nice cream spread. You can see like this. This is just spread. So this is ready. So our French fries are getting brown. So I need to remove and strain the oil. Just add some salt while it's hot. So viewers, our fish is cooked, so let's take it out on the plate. Any little olive oil to just toast our burger bun. So I'm going to toast the burger bun in this way. Let's turn to other side. So viewers, let's start. I'm going to add the spread on to our patty, the burger bun, like this way. The fish, pinch of Cajun spices, then I'm going to add more cheese, cheddar cheese, lettuce on it, and then slice of tomato, and then topping. Also you need to spread the cheese, the one cream cheese you made, like this way, covered with this. So almost our burger is ready. So if you want to cut into two, you can cut into two. Also just hold with this, and you can cut into two. Let's see how it looks like. So you can see the fish burger is ready. It's time to serve the burger. Let's put your burger in the one we just cut into two. And we have French fries. You can add some French fries, some more. So viewers, your Cajun fish burger is ready. So viewers, look at delicious Cajun fish burger is ready in Balghari kitchen. I can't stop tasting this burger, which is my favorite. So I'm going to taste. You guys just watch. Look at this. Ow. Mmm. It's really delicious and amazing, and it's very easy to make. You can make in your kitchen. The children also love. Very healthy also. So keep watching Balghari kitchen. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comment in comment section. Stay tuned for other videos, coming videos, many more videos to come. Thank you.